Hi, it's Jennifer from J Stern Designs, and I'm here to tell you about a super fun in-person class I'm going to be teaching at So Jersey in East Hanover, New Jersey on October 22nd. That is a Saturday, and we are going to spend the day making yoga pants and t-shirts. Now, a little bit about So Jersey. So Jersey is an amazing sewing machine store, dealership, and a fabric store. They also have classes. I'm putting a link to more information about this class in the description below, and you can also check out all the other fun stuff they have at So Jersey while you're there. Also, it's probably one of the nicest sewing machine dealers I've been to. I actually purchased my brother PRS 100 you see there in the background, and I love it. It works wonderfully, and if I needed another machine, I would go to So Jersey to buy it because they have a wonderful staff and they have a lot of different brands to choose from. Now, here's the cool thing about this class. I have sewn up all of the sample sizes in knit fabric for you to try on. So in the morning, we're going to do the yoga pants, and we're going to be working with my performance sports knit in a dark gray color, and you can see that dark gray color right here. This fabric, once you get it on your body, you're not going to want to wear anything else. It's a double brushed sports knit that's 88% polyester, 12% spandex. It's dry max and antimicrobial. So it's perfect for the gym, hiking, or just running around in your errands. So we're going to try on yoga pants made out of this exact fabric to pick your starting size. I will show you how to make some easy adjustments to your pattern, including the leg style and length you want. So for example, if you'd like capri length, these are capri that I have in front of me. If you want to make full length yoga pants that have not a fitted leg below the knee, but sort of a straight leg yoga pant, you can do that. If you'd rather make a legging with a snug fit down your entire leg, you'll have all of those choices, and I will show you how to adjust the pattern for the perfect yoga pants for you. After we try them on and adjust our pattern, we're going to cut them out and sew them together. It's an easy one seam leg, so there's no side seam. So if I stick this over here, you can see no side seam, just an inseam. Then we're going to try our legs on to make sure the rise is where we want it, and we're going to cut out a custom yoga pants waistband. And you can see this waistband also has elastic inserted into it, so when you're wearing it and it's stretched out to your shape, it's nice and secure and comfortable. So here's another example of another pair of yoga pants. To finish the hem edges, we're either going to hem them up traditionally. We can use a cover hem, a twin needle. We'll discuss all of that in class. Or you can finish your hems with a little band of knit very similar to the waistband. I have to tell you, this is very comfortable, and I almost finish all of my yoga pants legs like this now because it keeps the leg in place and it makes a secure fit around my leg wherever they're ending. So that is the yoga pants portion of the class. The t-shirt is actually part of my my tee twin set. So as a bonus, you're also getting a cardi pattern with the tee. We're not going to be making the cardi, but it does make a nice layering piece if you decide you want to add that later. You can see from this photo, I had a lot of pattern testers for this pattern, and you can make it up so many different ways. You can make it dressy, you can make it for working out, whatever you want to do. And the cool thing is I have all of the sizes sewn up and ready for you to try on. Then we will check your fabric to see how much your knit fabric is stretching, and if we need to make adjustments to the pattern pieces to accommodate the stretch of your fabric, we'll do that. And then we're going to cut them out and sew them together in the afternoon. So it's going to be a really fun class. It's going to be at So Jersey in East Hanover, New Jersey on October 22nd from 9 to 4. So if you want more information on registration, click the link below. Make sure you check out all the fun at So Jersey, and I hope to see you there.